these. They don't make them anymore. It's 1 inch by 1 inch post flange. See that? Column flange, 1 inch. Right? So, got 9 of these right here. They're like new old stock. Because now you can only get like 1.25 inches by 1.25 inches. And I got lucky enough to find these on eBay for a reasonably good price. I bought 8 of them and the guy gave me a free one, so I got 9. And to keep people from falling down like somebody fell down right there the other day, I got an 18-inch stainless steel grab bar that I'm going to use for hand railing. Right there. Just going to put that in. And then also today I finally got some shingle molding for that corner right there, for right up there, and for all of it on the side of the house right there. Shingle molding. And I got some extra brick molding so I can frame in around that damn window in there. Now today and part of tomorrow it's calling for rain, which may end up fucking me up today, but if it does, I'm gonna go ahead on and start putting some wood on. If it starts raining, then I'll go over and start scraping this shit off the glass. It looks like it's gonna rain. It was drizzling this morning, but I'll start scraping this shit off the glass, start putting the fucking hand railing on over here, go hang that damn bevel mirror up in the bathroom or whatever, you know. So when it's not raining, I'm going to be up here putting on wood. I'm not going to take a chance at painting, but I'm going to put the wood on, and I can go over there and put the brick molding around the window. If it starts raining, then I'll go do the shit that doesn't require being in it wet, like the mirror and the fucking hand railing or whatever. Now tomorrow morning I'm supposed to call and confirm a shipment of concrete. 4 yards of concrete for the driveway. And there's also a chance it's going to rain tomorrow. So hopefully the rain won't come and fuck my concrete driveway up that I've been waiting for 2 weeks. So hopefully everybody will be over here tomorrow to put this driveway, finish this driveway and get this shit done so we can move on. They won't nobody be able to pull in here and drive on it for about 7 or 8 days. So I'll probably just put a piece of caution tape or something across here because, you know, fucking somebody's gonna fucking pull in this motherfucker and pull right on top of my brand new shit on the edge and break it or something. So, and I'm not getting the expensive fiberized concrete or nothing. I'm getting the cheap shit. Cheap. Whatever it takes to fucking sell a house what the dude wants to pay for. So that's where we're at today, day 60. Back up here by myself again. Hopefully by the end of the week I'll hire somebody else to come in here and fucking help me finish this shit and move on to another neighborhood. So that, I'm going to go ahead and start putting that wood on, and then we'll turn the camera on and update it later. Also later today, I think I might be uploading a video where I got done restoring an old axe, making a handle. So make sure you see that. If I upload it, be looking for it. It's all done. I just got to upload it. Because I'm not going to do it on my Wi-Fi, on my internet that I got here. I'm going to do it on my Wi-Fi when I get back to the place. But so be looking for that video. So to install this grab bar that we're going to call a hand railing, you're going to have a hammer drill, all right, and drill a hole. You see how good I am at drilling this hole and holding the fucking camera at the same time. Next thing we're going to do is going to use these fucking lead anchors to look like that. So go ahead and fucking get them started in the hole like that. and fucking hammer that bitch in. You can see I've already done down here. Alright. And then, so then you can go ahead and just repeat the same process every fucking hole. That's right. Just gotta stick it in the hole, man, and work that motherfucker. Just like that. You gotta pound that bitch. Send that motherfucker home. That way you can, it'll function well when you screw it with your screw. So that's what you gotta do. Do that shit, and then screw that bitch on with your screws and shit, and then you got you a handrail. What I do, I step on the fucking steps and hold the handrailing up against the wall. That way I fucking know where it's a good place, fucking a good position for it to be, because that's a fucking 10-inch rise. So I sit up there, the highest part, because if I put it down here, where common sense would tell me to fucking put it down here, then if I'm up there coming out of the fucking house, I gotta bend over to get your fucking handrail. It says to be a medium somewhere in between, and this is where it is, right there. Alright, so there's the beginning of your handrailing, but it's one of those fucking days where you fucking open the box up, you drill all the fucking holes and screws, you go to mount this son of a bitch, and then you look in the bag, and instead of 10 fucking stainless steel screws, it's only 5. Somebody's done fucking went and bought this shit, and fucking brought it back to the store and shit, and taped the top of the fucking screw bag back up with a piece of scotch tape, left 5 screws in and took 5 out. So that's what she gets. Now I gotta go back to the store and get 5 fucking more stainless steel screws and shit. 3 for the bottom and 3 right there. So I just fucking put 2 in each one to fucking hold that bitch up there. That motherfucker solid, but when you put all them 5 screws in, you got 10 of them in there. Should be right now. That's what it looks like. There's your handrailing, and there's your steps. That way, the next one come in here and fucking fall down. They can't fucking say nothing because they should have held onto the damn handrail. That's it. That's gonna be your handrail. So this window has rotted brick molding all the way around this shit. A rotted windowsill. That's not a regular piece of nosing. Someone will have to fucking make something to go in there. And I see ants crawling all out of that bitch already. So I know when I pull the motherfucker off of there, that's gonna be a damn ant fucking nest up in that bitch. So I guess fucking today it's just no different than any other day. Get covered with ants and shit, and it looks like it's fucking wind's blowing. By the time I pull all this shit off, it'll probably fucking be a storm. That's how Mondays go. And look at the fucking ants in that motherfucker right there. It's raining ants at this bitch. Look at that shit. They running with these little kids and shit. They're like, man. They won't hesitate to say, damn, you fucking my house up, I'm gonna bite your ass. You know what I'm saying? But I guess it's time to fuck their house up. And the victim bitches, look at that shit. And I guarantee they're all around the whole length of this motherfucker. Look at that shit. God damn, these motherfuckers are starting to jump on my ass. And they done fucking turned the damn fucking wood into a little fucking ant house in that bitch. Look at that shit. Look at them crawling all over that motherfucker. They got a little fucking ant house right there. Look at that shit. running with the kids and fucking got fucking grandma and grandpa and fucking goddamn sisters and brothers and mama and daddy and fucking everybody. They flee and look at them. They done fucking nigga went down the fucking highway and that motherfucker. They getting on that. They got the fucking. They hitting the fucking evacuation right on that bitch. They're lucky I don't fucking have something I sprayed the little nasty motherfuckers. But every fucking thing I've touched on this fucking building has been like this. Look at that shit. They done turned that shit into a fucking ant house. I might well fucking go on ahead because I know that one right there and down there, that's gonna be bad too. To replace the windowsill in this window, you gotta fucking take the whole damn window out. See this shit. Take the whole window out and fucking make a new frame. Because the whole damn frame is rotted around that bitch. So, might well just go ahead on and take it out and fucking make another one and be done with it. Right, so now I'm at the end of day 60. And I scraped a little bit more off that fucking glass right there. And I rebuilt this corner back here and this was all fucked up. I had to put a new dog ear, a new piece of rake board, tie all that shit in. That corner right there. So I still gotta find the right shingle molding. The shit I got today won't right. So I took some of the old stuff as a sample. Then over here I got fucking bombed with fucking ants and shit. But I fucking pulled all this apart. I had to take the whole window out to fucking rebuild that shit. But there that is. All new brick molding, all fucking Phoenix sealed down, a new fucking windowsill made with treated wood. So pretty much all the fucking wood right on the garage now is done. Except for a couple of little places in the bottoms of the doors and shit like that. And I'll probably tackle those tomorrow. I'm supposed to be getting some concrete tomorrow. And then there's a chance of rain like around 6 and 7 o'clock. So probably stop and get a fucking roll of plastic to cover it up to be on the safe side. Because usually you're probably in the good about 3 or 4 hours after you do it. But just to make sure we don't end up pitting or nothing like that in it, I'll probably cover it with plastic. So hopefully we're on tomorrow at fucking 1 o'clock for this shit. Get this fucking driveway done. Because I'm gonna have to fucking go ahead on and tape it off so some of the dumbasses pull in here and fucking run over top of it and fuck it up. It needs to be fucking sitting here curing for about 7 days. And the fucking brick molding, the shingle molding on this fucker is fucking different than the shit that's on that bitch. So 2 different kinds I gotta go look for probably on Wednesday or Thursday. So Wednesday I had to fucking be here at fucking early because I gotta let the floor company in. They're supposed to start fucking putting that damn sand in the floors and stuff like that. Now that shit like that, I do shit like that and it fucks me up. Look at that. I left a big heavy ass butcher knife on top of the basketball thing. And I sure as hell I'll be beating on something, that bitch will fall down and stick in my neck or something. I'll be laying on my back all fucked up again. Because I've been working today with a fucked up foot. Yeah. Anyway, that's the end of day 60 of fucking Monday morning. And Monday fucking all day long, fucking bunch of bullshit. So tomorrow I'll come in here and hopefully we'll get us a driveway and I'll go get these. I started putting this shit on right here and fucking somebody had taken 5 of the screws. Someone stopped and get me 5 stainless steel screws. So I'm going to finish that handrail. And ain't a whole lot to do after all that. If I can paint the garage and then go around and start working on the front porch and put some sheetrock up in this room. Sheetrock that wall. So y'all have a good day and subscribe to the channel. And I'm pretty sure also be looking for this video. I'm gonna be uploading this evening on an old battle axe hatchet restoration that I did yesterday. So So y'all have a good day. Hit the like button if you like the video, and fucking subscribe to the channel. Hit the little notification bell so you know when I upload some other shit. Look at my other fucking 400 videos. You got any questions, leave a question in the comment section, or fucking leave a question in the fucking email, peninsulaimp@gmail.com. And hopefully I come in this motherfucker tomorrow and it won't be no ants raining on my ass, you know what I'm saying? I've been fucking covered in ants for the past 2 days I've been here. That damn garage is full of them. The motherfuckers are falling. So one of them fucking blew in my fucking face and bit me on my eyelid today. One bit me on my neck and shit. You know, life's hard enough as it is to fucking have shit blowing on you and bite you and shit. So I don't even like shit biting me, you know, but that's what it is. I fucking gotta get up there and fucking power wash that roof and blow all the shit off of that bitch, and it'll probably be ants all over the place again. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 61 of the house renovation, where we're gonna get us a driveway, hopefully. So y'all have a good night now.